Hello, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today let us see how to make love knot or solvents knot in crochet. First make a knot and put 2 chains. 1, 2. Now join the first chain with a slip stitch like this. Then pull the yarn to 1 inch length and make a chain like this. Pass the hook through the yarn which is at the back and pull the yarn to make a single crochet. Now we have finished one love knot, and see there will be 3 yarns in each knot. Once again I will show you. Pull the yarn to 1 inch length and make a chain like this. Now pass the hook through the yarn which is at the back side and pull the yarn to make a single crochet and make the knot tight. See, we have finished the second love knot. See, once again pull the yarn to 1 inch length and make a chain. Now pass the hook through the yarn which is at the back side and pull the yarn to make a crochet stitch. And now we have finished 3 love knots. This is a very beautiful knot. The length should be even for each knot so that your crochet pattern will be very beautiful. Now I have finished 4 knots. In this same method, let us put many knots as needed to make a shawl or a muffler. Let the number of knots be in multiples of 2. I'll make many knots and come back to you. Now I have finished the first row. I have made 50 knots. That is multiples of 2. Now count 4 love knots and join with a single crochet. That is, we have joined 4 love knots together like this. Once again, let us make 2 love knots. 1, 2. In the previous row, let us leave 2 love knots and join at the point between the second and the third love knot. See, it will be like diamonds. Once again I will show you. Put 2 love knots and join, leaving 2 love knots in the previous row. In this same method, let us finish the full row. I'll come back to you after finishing this row. See, I have finished this row and come to the last point. Let us join with the first knot. With a single crochet, and in the corners we should put 3 love knots. While making the row, we used to join after every 2 love knots, and while turning the corners, we should make 3 love knots like this. See, I have finished 3 love knots. Turn the side and join with the next knot. That is, one knot will be joined to the previous row and the other knot will be joined to the upcoming row. Again 2 knots. Leave one knot and join the alternate knots. One knot will be linked with the previous row and the next knot will be linked with the upcoming row. I hope you are clear about it. See, you can see a diamond space in between, and cross shape of the love knots. You can follow these 2 instructions and finish your muffler or shawl like this. In corners we are putting 3 love knots, and in the middle we are putting 2 love knots. Join after every 2 love knots, and in the corners 3 love knots, 1, 2 and 3. You can see cross shapes of the love knots and diamond space in between. In each row, one knot will join to the bottom row and the other knot will join to the top row. I hope you are clear about this stitch now. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.